To figure out where the low places are, Mark and I set up a transit to check the floor elevation at several different points around the first floor of the house.
All right, I went ahead and drew a little drawing of the downstairs and shoot just, I don't know, 10 or 12 little spots here and all that. So, all right, we'll see where the low spot is.
It's not surprising that there are a few variations.
So that's 1 inch lower than that. Can you shoot around this fireplace in this spot over here?
But we have to minimize them to keep from having problems with the new work.
According to this number, this needs to come up a ½ inch, right? And this would need to come up a ½ inch.
All right, now we got to go see what's wrong with it.
Okay.
You want a little crawl suit?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's put one on. I don't want to get dirty or anything.
Unfortunately, the solutions will have to be worked out in this narrow little crawl space.
Somebody's already done some work under here, but we just need to...
This is all cracked right here.
Yeah, we need to jack that up and put us a whole block under there, you know?
Yeah.
They just put that little half of a block in there. But this is where we got to go up that inch.
Well, I can see the seal, the one that you said rotten out right there is about an inch down.
It's lower than that, yeah. I think we can get right here and jack this up.
All right, well, that's easy enough. Wish I could stay here and help you.
Yeah, I wish you could too.